Welcome. My name is Ryan O'Keefe, a 10-year veteran of the vending industry. I've built highly profitable healthy vending businesses in 20 different U.S. states, all by replacing existing junk food vending machines almost every time and replacing them with healthy vending machines. Not only do these machines reproduce the same revenue as their junk food predecessors, but they actually outperform them 2 to 1 almost every time. That's right. Double the income, in many cases 3 to 4 to 5 times the average vending revenue, and now I'm taking my knowledge nationwide to completely disrupt the entire vending industry. You're here because you've been looking for it. You've researched every franchise, every business opportunity, local brick and mortars, and just about every business under the sun. Perhaps you've even looked into the vending industry and you just weren't convinced it was right for you, which makes sense. That's why I want to introduce you to the opportunity that you've been looking for. It's an industry disruptor, something that can create a full-time income working only part-time. Why am I doing this? Because it's far past time for one of the oldest industries, vending, to step into the 21st century, and I've built a system that will replace vending machines just about anywhere in the US, and I want to share it with you, specifically the person who I've described in this video. And because you're here taking part in this specific video, I will give you an absolutely unbelievable offer to take advantage of right away. And you'll want to do this because it's going to be a one-time offer. I'm so confident that you will agree with me that this opportunity will completely disrupt the entire vending industry that I'm going to back it with a risk-free guarantee. So to recap, I know why you're here, to find it, as you've been turning over every business opportunity stone and you haven't found it yet. You're a visionary and you want to be part of something big. So if you're intrigued and you're open-minded to a different conversation about the vending world as you know it today, then I have the opportunity just for you. This can be for you whether you're looking to create additional income, transition out of your career into something full-time because you replace your income, or you want to generate financial freedom. This opportunity can literally do it all. All you've got to do is type in your email address and your first name, and you'll gain instant access to this video presentation for free. So go right ahead, type in your first name, your email, and I'll see you on the other side of this page.